This drink is a martini-type cocktail. It's called a Dr. Cook. The primary ingredient is gin with a little bit of maraschino liqueur, sour mix, and it's going to be strained into a martini glass. Now, we've got our martini glass chilling off to the side, so it's going to get nice and cold by the time we have our drink made. You always want to try to chill your glasses whenever possible. That way, when you pour the ingredients into it, it doesn't start warming up right away. Let's get started. We've got our shaker glass. We're going to fill with ice. Now we're going to add 2.5 ounces of gin. Let's take our jigger out for this one. This is a handy little tool you can pick up at any restaurant supply store. It's got a measuring for 1 ounce on one side and 1/2 ounce on the other. So we said we need 2.5, be 2 on the outside, and 1/2 on the other side. And our maraschino liqueur here, this will give it a little sweetness. And the sour mix, just a splash, so I'll balance it out. That'll be good. And now we'll shake it up. Give it a really good shake. That'll get nice and cold. This looks rather refreshing. Let's dump our ice and water out. There we go. Look at that. No prescription needed. Just sit back and enjoy.